This is the Django Trade Copier EA that I've quoted. Almost similar like that of Telegram Trade Copier EA. MT5 just made a few changes, all the functions are same, and there was not major change in it except that a web request where I connect this EA with the Django previously. The EA was connected with Telegram API, now it's connecting with the Django API. Rest of most of the things are same. So once I coded this Telegram EA, I simply reused it, and this is the same. So this is the token that I cannot share. This is the URL, and this is that Django to MT5, almost same thing. So get request. This is the only thing that changed. Rest is all same. That was the good thing. That once I had coded it, so then I didn't have to decode everything again. So this is the same exact number. So you'll be surprised that if you want to check whether the string is a number or a string, there is no function. So in the MQL5, so I coded it, rather I copied it from Google. So most of the things you can easily find on Google. This is the get request function. It took me 3-4 weeks, 5 weeks. Well, initially I was unable to make the connection, get connection. Django API, there was some problem, but then I succeeded. And then the post of us again, I was feeling having some problems with that. But I can succeeded. So it takes time. As I've said, I'm not a professional programmer, I'm just a self-taught programmer. So I created this JSON myself, then message, this thing, this is that overloading that function with new parameters, post request. So this is it. Now I can connect Django also with my email. So I hope you like this.